and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lainey and I post every Tuesday and every other Friday, so please hit that subscribe button. I post cosplay, Lolita, and other alternative fashions, and also a lot of like skits and special effects videos, so you don't want to miss out on any of those. And I also post daily to TikTok and Instagram, so please check those out. I would love your support. Today, we are going to be going over my 5 Lolita dresses that I can dream of owning, but I will never in my life actually own. It's really sad because I missed the pre-order on some of these dresses from like over a year ago, and they're still stuck in my head and I cannot forget about them, and I want them in my life more than anything. So we're going to talk about the 5 dresses that I desperately want but will never in my life have. Cry. So, coming in on dress number 5, the Lolita dress that everyone and their mother owns is Honey Cake in the yellow colorway. And I know what you're thinking, this is so typical, but personally I feel like every Lolita owns this dress, and I guess I just feel really left out of the bandwagon, and plus it's adorable. Who does not want this in their closet? I want to look like a pancake. I want to have a little honey bear on my dress. It's so cute, and I'm also weak for food prints. It's bad, and yellow has really been growing on me as a colorway, and I'm thinking about getting a couple dresses in yellow, but I don't know if I can pull the color off. But anyways, I want Honey Cake. Everybody has it. I'm the only one in the universe who does not own Honey Cake, and it makes me big sad. Big sad, too many tears. Coming in number 4 is another Angelic Pretty dress that I think everybody owns, or everybody knows someone who owns this and everybody wants this dress, is Cat's Tea Party. Need I say more? You know me, I already own cat prints. I love cat prints. I love animal prints in general. Sweet with animal prints, my thing. Tea, I love tea. I have too much tea. This is the dress print of my dreams, which is why it's number 4 on my dream dress list, but also it's a lot of money. I don't think I could trust myself to save up for it. I think if I did buy it, I would cry for 4 days straight, because that's like good money that could have gone towards school. But one day I will own it in literally any colorway. I just want this print. I just want this print. I want those kitties, and mine. Coming in number 3 is, shock, not Angelic Pretty. Okay, this one is going to be so dumb, and you guys are going to think it's so dumb that I have this one on my list because, no judgment, but it's an Infanta dress. Please don't hate me. And this one is actually called Doris Tripp, and I think it is just so cute, especially the blue colorway. I want the blue colorway so badly, and just like those fluffy sleeves, the little Peter Pan collar, the like plaid, not really gingham, but like plaid print. It's so adorable. It screams cottagecore. If you pair that guy with like a little apron, hello. Unfortunately, I actually went to order this dress because I love it so much and I can't get it out of my head, but it was completely sold out of my size and my preferred colorway. So I check daily on, Lace Market to see if anyone is selling theirs, and if you see anyone selling it, direct it my way because I want it in my life. I will never take it off. And that's number 3. Please don't judge me because it's not Baby or Angelic Pretty. But number 2 is Angelic Pretty, again. And yes, this one is also a cat print. This one is actually Dream Cat Go Round, which I think I first discovered because someone was wearing it in a YouTube video, and I was like, holy crap, what is that print? I need it in my life. And it was Dream Cat Go Round. OP in lavender is like, whoo, my dream. Holy crap, I love cats. My baby kitty is the best boy. I will marry him. I'm sorry, Liam. I'm marrying my cat. It is so cute, so perfect. I love lavender. Lavender is my favorite color. I love OPs. I love the collar. I love the little kittens. It's literally all of my favorite things in one dress, and I just want it in my life. And now for number 1, which you guys are going to think I'm crazy that I want this dress so badly, because it's not Baby, it's not Alice and the Pirates, and it's not Angelic Pretty. I doubt like most of you have even heard of it. That's totally false. A lot of you have probably heard of this brand, but like it's not a super popular brand. But I love this. I am so upset I missed pre-order, and I have been searching everywhere for this dress in any colorway, in any style. I just want it. I want it so badly, you don't understand. So if I could get a drum roll, please. Number one of a dress that I really want but will never have because it's out of stock everywhere and I missed the pre-order is Babel Lolita's The Cat Prince. I'll just let you take this in. Once again, yes, it is another cat print. I freaking love cat prints, but The Little Prince holds a lot of significant meaning for me. It is a story that I really like, and a story that I read in my French class, in the French version in high school, and I just very much related to it. And it just, at the time I was reading it, I was not in a good mental headspace, and that book just meant the world to me, and it really changed my view on life. And I can't even express to you how much that story means to me. And I know it's dumb because it's like a kid's book, but if you look at the bigger picture and the messages, I think they're just so prevalent to everyday life, and it has a lot of really cute quotes in it too. I am such a sucker for good quotes. And also, I love the artwork. If you look at this, it's literally The Little Prince, but with cats, hence why it's called The Cat Prince. It combines one of my favorite stories. It combines outer space, which I love. It combines cats. It comes with a cute OP with these little sailor collars. Even the JSK is super cute. I just really want it. This was a surprisingly short video, but those are the top 5 dresses that I really want and I'll never have. I keep seeing Lolita's post this on Instagram and YouTube, and I was like, why haven't I done this yet? My top 5 are so cringy, I gotta do it too and join the bandwagon so I feel validated. But anyways, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked my top 5. Actually, do you agree with my top 5? Please don't hurt my feelings, but what are your top 5? Would you swap any of mine out for different prints? What are some prints you think that I would personally like? I really love animal prints and cats, if you can't tell. But tell me what your top 5 are, and we'll have a chat in the comments. Or DM me them. And if you see Doris Tripp or the cat prints, please send it my way. Please, I am begging you. Please send it my way. I absolutely adore those. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more goofy content and Lolita and cosplay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And oh, I just wanted to mention too that I just filmed this cord that I'm wearing now for a little pass the brush challenge / don't rush challenge. So if you would like to check that out, it's a collab with a bunch of really cute Lolitas, and it'll be linked down below. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye!